Good day, everyone. Today I will talk about that compassion truly means how we express it towards other people and our environment, and how communal discernment helped us build a more compassionate world starting right here in our university and beyond. To me, compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone or something. It is the deep awareness of another's suffering or need, paired with a genuine desire and willingness to do something to help or ease their burden. It comes from recognizing that we are all connected, that the pain or well being of one person or part of nature affects us all. Compassion is not weakness, it is the strength to see beyond our own needs and choose care over indifference. First, compassion shows in how we treat other people. It means respecting every person's dignity, regardless of their status, wealth, health, or background. This connects back to what learned earlier I like Levinas idea's responsibility to the other. When we see someone struggling, someone facing poverty, discrimination, or illness like HIV, compassion stops us from judging or turn away. Instead, we listen, we support, and we treat them with fairness. In our daily lives, this looks like simple acts. Helping a classmate who is struggling with lessons, including someone who feels left out, speaking up against unfair treatment, or even just listening to someone who feels alone. Compassion is turning empathy and action. Compassion also extends our nature world. Many people forget that environment is not just a resource for us to use. It is a living system that sustains all life, including our own. To become compassionate toward nature means understanding, and when we harm the environment, we also harm the people who depends on it, especially the poor who are most vulnerable to floods, pollution, and food shortage. Expressing this compassion means making responsible choice, reducing waste, avoiding single-use plastic, conserving water and energy, and taking part in the tree planting or cleanup activities. It is also means speaking up to protect our forests, rivers, and seas. Compassion for nature is compassion for future generation who deserve a healthy and safe place to live. Now, how do we make compassion more than just individual acts? This is where communal discernment comes in. Communal discernment is when a group of people like our university community come together, we listen, reflect, understand our shared values, and decide what is right and good for everyone, not just for a few. It means we do not rely only on our own personal views. Instead, we talk, we learn, we consider the needs of the most vulnerable, and we act we act together. In our university, this can guide us to create rules, programs, and activities that are fair, exclusive, and caring. For example, through discernment, we can set up support system for students in need our lunch project that protect our campus and surrounding environment. When we discern together, we build shared commitment. Compassion becomes a culture, not just a random act. It turns our school into a community where everyone feels valued, and it helps us spread that same spirit to our families, towns, and wider world. To sum up, compassion is seeing our connection with other and nature, and acting to care, we express it through kindness to people and stewardship of our environment, and through communal discernment, we turn individual good intention into lasting collective good, making our university and the whole world more compassionate. Start with each of us, but it grows stronger. We will talk together than you. Being compassionate towards nature means understanding that our actions have consequences. It is choosing to reduce waste, conserve water and energy, avoid littering, and protect forests, rivers, and oceans. It is caring from the earth, not just ourselves, but for future generations who deserve a safe, healthy place to live. This is compassion in action. Protecting what sustains all of us. Now, individual acts of kindness are good, but they are not enough to build lasting change. This is where communal discernment comes. What this mean? It's a process where community like our university comes together to listen, reflect, and decide what is truly good and fair for everyone. It is not about following rules blindly or sticking only to our own personal opinion. It is about sharing our experience, listening to the needs of the most vulnerable among us, and choosing actions that benefits whole community, not just a few in our university. This help create programs that support struggling students, make our campus more exclusive, and launch project that protecting our surrounding. Where discern together, compassion becomes part of shared culture, turns small individual good intention into lasting collective good. To sum up, compassion is recognizing our connection to all life and turning what awareness into action. We express it through respect and care for every person, and we through responsibility, stewardship of our environment, and through communal discernment. We unite our effort to make our university and the wider world place where dignity, care, and justice are the norm. Being compassionate is not one-time act. It is a way of living that starts with you made me, but it grows much stronger when we choose walk together.